What is up, guys? Tony here, Positive Tech Reviews in the building. Here we have some Mixcder headphones. These are the model number E9 active noise canceling wireless headphones. So these are Bluetooth, and you can also use them with a wire. That's what the box looks like. We're gonna do a quick unboxing. Then I'm gonna come with a later video on how they actually feel on my ears and ear fatigue and all that good stuff and how they sound. But you can see right here they have active noise canceling, around 30 hours of playtime, which is incredible. I believe it's like a 500 milliamp battery. They have 44 millimeter large aperture drivers, and you can use wireless and wired connection. And I believe they come with maybe a carrying case or something, because they're foldable design, adjustable and foldable design, compact carrying case. So yeah, it does come with a compact carrying case, and you can see some of the information on here. Also supports profiles HSP, HFP, A2DP, and also AVRCP, whatever that means. I'm not an audiophile, so I don't really know a lot about these, but I don't normally review headphones on my channel, but these look real good. So once again, the battery is 500 milliamp rechargeable lithium battery, and playtime about 30 hours. That is incredible. So we're gonna jump into these real quick. Here is the website. You guys can check them out. www.mixcder.com, and there's also a support email. You guys can hit them up. We're gonna go ahead and open these up real quick and see what we get in the box, and then I'll come with a later video and we'll see how these actually sound and what I think about them and stuff like that. So pretty interesting headphones. I like them. I like the fact that they're actually over the ear headphones, not on the ear headphones, and I prefer these over all the headphones. I like the around the ear, not on the ear. So they actually isolate. Once you put these on, they isolate all the ambient noise around you. So I prefer these. That's, when I'm out and riding my bike and stuff, I'll use the earbuds, but I'm a huge fan of these. I like these better. So let's go ahead and open this up. I like that it's like a tree right there. This is just gonna be an unboxing. Like I said, I'll come back with a later video on my thoughts on these, and let's see what we get in this box. So we get a nice case with some branding on there. That's all that comes in the box. We'll put the box over to the side. And this is a Mixcder. That's what I'm calling it, Mixcder carrying case. It's like a soft material case. We do get a little handle here. Zipper all the way around. My dog has to sniff it out. My dog sniffed it out. We'll put you on the video next time. And this is what we're getting. Nice presentation. All black all the way around. We got this little right here. See what this comes with. Okay, so I do see that we do have airplane adapter. That is nice. So they did mention that in the email. So this is a typical male ends 3.5 jacks, and then we have the charging, micro USB, and then USB type A, and then we have this right here, which is airplane adapter. If you guys are frequent flyers, you guys will definitely enjoy these headphones, and you would definitely enjoy this adapter right here. So yeah, airplane adapter on deck. We also have user manual, which we're going to breeze through that here in a second. Gives you a whole bunch of information. I am definitely going to read this whole thing so I can give you guys a real good review. And this right here, what is this, a sticker? Okay, so this is a thank you for purchasing, and also gives you their website. You guys can check out their website right there. And yeah, that's nice. Then we have the QR code, those of you who want to scan real quick, and it'll probably take you right to their website. And an extra warranty. So let's check this out. To claim your extra warranty, please go to their website and contact us, and it will give you within 30 days. Wow, you will get 1 extra year. So that is incredible right there. So free and fast user support. So once again, they got all their information on here. That extra year is definitely a plus. Let's go ahead and move this all over to the side. This is just going to be an unboxing. I just want to show you guys what we get in here. And I do like the case. I do like this adapter right here, and I do like the warranty so far. So offhand, first impressions right here. Shout out to Mixcder real quick. These cushions are super soft. I mean super soft. They're definitely light headphones. They have the ANC, which is active noise cancellation button right here. That is real nice. Bam. And they do have the plus button and a negative button for volume up and down. Also, you can skip tracks. USB, micro USB right there. We do have the power button. You can answer calls. There's a little pinhole there, so I'm guessing that's the microphone. All those controls are on the right hand side, and on the left side we do have the active noise canceling button, and we have the little plug, so you can use these wired also. So the thing about these is I will have to find out. Some headphones you can use them wired, but they got to be fully charged, so I want to see if these will actually work without a charge. So I'll get back to you on that. But so far I do love the cushions. Extra soft cushions, man, all the way around. Extra. And then we got some head support up here. Let me try these on real quick, because I think these are gonna fit real good. Let me try these on real quick. Oh wow, these are definitely snug. They feel really light. I like the cushion on the head support on the top. They definitely isolate a whole bunch of sound. When I put these on, I can't hear nothing around me. So that active noise canceling button's gonna be nice to have. We're gonna try these out. But the presentation is nice. They feel premium, very light and very comfortable so far. So stay tuned for my full review in about 2 weeks or so. I'm really gonna test these out. I'm gonna give them their fair share. I gotta read the user manual on these. I really wanna see what they're all capable of. And let me see what I did here. I think I turned these on by accident. They're in pairing mode. All right, guys, so I went ahead and tried these on real quick. I wanted to just test out the sound quality. I paired them to my Samsung Galaxy S10e, and I can tell you that I've only played with them for about 2 minutes, and the sound coming out of here and the noise canceling or active noise canceling on here is incredible. Hold on, let me try that one more time. Wow, man, that active noise canceling. Wow, I've never tried that before. On headphones, I probably had some, but they never had that little button where you can literally turn it on and off. And I can definitely tell the difference. I would love to try these in a noisy environment just to see what they could actually do. And I'll probably do that in video. When I do my full review, I'll probably try that like at the mall or something. And I'll use these at the mall and see how this active noise canceling actually works. But in here, this is pretty quiet in here, so I couldn't really tell you. But yeah, they sound good so far. They feel real good. The cushion on the top of my head, it feels real good. And it doesn't feel like they're gonna fall off or nothing. Nice seal all the way around my ears. Nice seal, definitely. And the sound quality sounds good. So stay tuned for my full review with these. I definitely want to give you guys my honest opinions on them. And yeah, I'll catch you guys in a later video. We out.